Hello there. Welcome to our HTML and CSS tutorial example. Today we're gonna be creating a website about a catering business, a website for a catering business. So, in order to begin this website creation, the first thing we need to do, as we've learned from the beginning, is that we're gonna create a web folder for our website. So what we need to create a web folder. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna create a web folder. I'll call it catering. So the next question is, what's the name of our business, right? So does our business, or do we have logo? We're gonna have so I'm gonna group my CSS files in a folder, right? As well my image files, I'm gonna have them all in folders. So I'll say images, right? Then if I have videos, I'm gonna also store them in a folder. I'll call it videos, right? Then I'm gonna have my index.html here, and all other web pages that are necessary. So I just say index.html. Then I'm gonna have my CSS file here, right? I'm gonna have my CSS file. So I'll just call it index.css. I'm also gonna have I'm also gonna use font awesome in this tutorial. So I'm gonna open our previous web folder. I'm gonna copy the font awesome classes here. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy the whole of this, close that, and I'm gonna paste it here. Good. So I'm just preparing the ground for my catering website, right? Now in my catering website, I'm gonna need a logo. We're gonna need to have the name, so that when it's gonna start with the header, where we have the logo and the business logo and the website name. Then there are gonna be some links, then followed by maybe a banner of image and some services, a list of services that we offer. Okay, so right now I'm going to my editor, and then I'm gonna add that folder. So you go to project. Now click on the sub menu, add folder to project. Then I'm gonna go straight to my desktop where I have my catering folder, and then I just select the folder. So this gives me a link to the content of all my folder, my folder contents here, so that I can access anyone I want to access at any time. So you can see this. Good. So I can work on my index.html and my CSS file at the same time. So I'm gonna start this, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna call it A1 catering. So this is gonna be my home page, right? So I'm gonna start the whole website with a header. So I'll have the header section, right? Then I will have the content section, and then I have the footer like this, just as we have it in our previous lesson. Okay, so I'm gonna create an icon now. I'm gonna create an icon, and then I'll download some images from Google for our tutorial. So this is just an introductory class for our catering website example. So in our next class, I'm gonna already have my all my needed media, such as my logo, my banners, my images, and the kind of services I render, and maybe some galleries of previous you know previous services that I have done before in the past, right? Okay, so see you in the next class.